If you want to change the refresh rate on your iPhone, maybe while you're playing games or watching videos, it's easy to do so, and we can do it directly in the Settings app. Let me walk you through it. The first thing we're going to do is open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a little bit and tap on Accessibility. From here, midway down, tap on Motion, and then scroll down to the bottom. You can see Limit Frame Rate. This sets the maximum frame rate to 60 frames per second. So if this is toggled on, it will have a refresh rate of 60 Hertz. However, if I turn this off, it will bump it up to the max of 120 Hertz. Keep in mind, if you don't see this feature as an option at the bottom, then you are only limited to 60 Hertz. But now that I've turned this off, I can play games and it's super responsive and fast. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, to level up your iPhone ability.